I'm Helen Bristow, and I'm meeting the presenters at the ASCP 2024 annual meeting. And today I'm joined by Susan Johnson, who presented this year's Barbara M. Castleberry lecture. Thank you for joining me. Would you start by introducing yourself and giving us a brief career history?
Sure. I'm Sue Johnson, and I am currently the Director of Clinical Education at Versity Blood Center of Wisconsin in Milwaukee, Wisconsin. And I also direct the Transfusion Medicine program at Marquette University, and Director of a Specialist in Blood Banking program. So pretty busy, hats in lots of places. I've been at the Blood Center for a lot of years and with expertise in immunohematology, and especially the antibodies and the antigens to red blood cells. So yeah, that's me. And I had the opportunity to present the Barbara Castleberry lecture, which is an invitational lecture, and it's a huge honor. Barbara Castleberry was involved with the then Board of Registry through the ASCPs. Of course, over the years, it changed to the Board of Certification as what we know today. But Barbara Castleberry was the first full-time vice president of the Board of Registry, and she served in that role for many years, did amazing work to really get the Board of Certification off the ground and running to what it is today.
Thank you for explaining that background. And what did you present in this lecture slot, and why is it something that's important to you?
The fun thing for a presenter is that, and maybe it's scary as well, is that with the invitation comes, the honor to present, but then you really get to choose what you want to talk about. And what's been really important to me in my career has been all the volunteering that I've done. So the title of my presentation was, "Oh, the Places You May Go," carrying the whole theme of the Dr. Seuss book. Talked about my personal journey with volunteering, and then with that, the bumps in the road and the decisions you have to make, but also the importance that volunteering had for me with opportunities that arose. So I got to talk about that.
Did you get some good feedback from the presentation?
I did. I had a lot of great feedback. One, people love the theme, all the places you may go, and I think a lot of people said, a couple people said it was inspiring, that was amazing, because I talked about how, for example, because I volunteered and worked with different organizations and met a lot of different people, in the end, one of the things I got to do was just kind of went through that. But yeah, the feedback I received was really, really great.
It sounds like delegates got a lot out of seeing your presentation. Why do you think scientific meetings like this are important? Why should people get out of the lab and attend these things, do you think?
Oh, well, there's many, but one is learning, right? You always learn something new from the content from the meeting. Inspiring, right? Usually I come away from a meeting with excitement. I'm fired up. I want to go try something, or I have a new question that I want to look at or to study. And I think the most important thing is the networking, the relationship building, the friends that you may have developed, right, from meeting somebody. And then through the years, you never know, they could be a lifelong friend.
Fantastic reasons. Thank you so much, Sue, for your time, and congratulations on your presentation.
Thank you.